Hey gang, this is a relatively new 2018 Nissan Rogue with the security light on and non-starting. The code is 2190. It's for the amplifier. This is the amplifier, and I have two wires on the communication lines, both of them. And here's what we see. We see the turn ignition on and off. Oh, we missed it. One more time. We see communications active on both lines, and they're not the same. Separate line has its own communication. This is coming from antenna, the other channel coming to antenna, right? They are not the same because they have differences. You can see that. Okay, so the conclusion here is this. The code is, though the code shows no communication with the amplifier, I think it's a bad keep. All right, thank you.